Welcome from English Boost Motivation. English listening practice with simple stories. Slow English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, you will practice English listening with simple stories. This lesson is for beginners. Please listen carefully. Do not worry about speaking now. Just listen and understand. We will speak very slowly. Let us begin. Story 1. A New English Learner. This is the story of Rahim. Rahim is a student. He is from Bangladesh. Rahim wants to learn English, but he is afraid to speak. Every day, Rahim listens to English videos. He listens slowly. He listens carefully. He does not stop. He practices every day. After some months, Rahim understands English better. He feels confident. Rahim learns one thing. Listening daily changes everything. Pause and think about the story. Story 2. The Power of Daily Practice. Sarah is a young woman. She works in an office. She wants a better job. She knows English is important. Every night, Sarah listens to English stories for 20 minutes. She listens while relaxing. She listens before sleeping. Slowly, her listening skill improves. One day, she speaks English at work. Her manager is impressed. Sarah smiles. Listening helped her speak. Listening is the first step to fluency. Story 3. Do not be afraid. Ali is afraid of English. He thinks English is difficult. He makes mistakes. People laugh sometimes. But Ali does not stop. He listens to simple English stories. He understands little by little. One day, Ali speaks English in public. He is not perfect, but he is confident. Ali learns a lesson. Mistakes are part of learning. You are learning. Be proud. Story 4. Learning at Home. Mina stays at home. She does not go to coaching centers. She uses her phone. She listens to English lessons online. She listens while cooking. She listens while resting. She does not rush. She enjoys learning. After 1 year, Mina understands English movies. She speaks simple English. Mina proves one thing. You can learn English at home. Now, listen and repeat slowly. I am learning English. Listening helps me understand. I listen every day. I am improving. I can speak English. Repeat again. Motivation for listeners. Remember this. You do not need talent. You need consistency. Listening daily is the secret of fluent English. Do not stop. Keep listening. Ending. Thank you for listening. This was English listening practice with simple stories. Like this video. Share with beginners. Subscribe for daily English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep listening. Keep learning.